In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp and ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know how to move from an idea to a strong AI prompt to an actionable output inside ClickUp, all without overcomplicating your workflow. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to the overview page for the space or folder you're focusing on. The overview gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening, and it's a great place to ground yourself before bringing AI into the process. Make sure you're signed in and have the right permissions for the area you plan to work in, so anything you generate can be saved or shared as needed. Now switch over to ChatGPT. In a fresh conversation, ask ChatGPT to craft a clear, well-structured prompt tailored to what you want ClickUp AI to produce. Be specific about your goal, the audience, the tone, and any constraints like length or format. The clearer your request here, the better the final result will be once you use it in ClickUp. If your first try feels vague, refine it with a bit more context. A couple of short clarifications can make a big difference. Once ChatGPT generates the prompt, highlight it and copy it in full. If it's long, scan it quickly for placeholders or sections you want to tweak, then copy the final version. This is the exact text you'll bring into ClickUp's AI, so keep it concise, unambiguous, and free of sensitive information. Head back to ClickUp. Open the AI panel in your workspace. You may see it labeled as AI or within the ClickUp brain area. If you don't see it right away, look for the AI icon near your docs, tasks, or the toolbar. This is where you'll run the prompt you just prepared. Click into the AI input box and paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Give it a second look to confirm it fits your use case and includes any required context from your workspace, like a project name or a desired output format. Press Enter to run it. ClickUp's AI will process your prompt and return a result aligned with your instructions. If the output isn't quite right, adjust the prompt wording and run it again. Small edits, like clarifying the tone, adding bullet formatting, or stating a deadline, can rapidly improve the result. When you're happy, you can incorporate the content into tasks, docs, or updates in your workspace. And that's the full flow. Anchor yourself in ClickUp, use ChatGPT to refine a strong prompt, bring it into ClickUp AI, and execute with confidence.